Today I want to present to you a material that I initially produced to work with quadrilaterals, but that presents countless other possibilities. To build it, you need a batten 2 cm wide by 1 cm thick, rubber bands and screws for folders. There are metal ones, but these plastics work well and are cheaper. With the aid of a square, make the markings of the desired measures and cut them. Then mark each piece and drill, with the help of sandpaper to finish. The set of parts one uses made up of the following measurements. Let's see how to use it. This first example serves to present the rigidity provided by the triangle. With this material, it is simple to prove to the students the existence condition for triangles. Starting with the quadrilaterals, we can use elastics to represent the diagonals and explore their properties. Combining the pieces, we can build all kinds of quadrilaterals. Finally, we can explore the relationship between sides, vertices, and diagonals using a string to join non-consecutive vertices. I hope you like this tip. Leave in the comments suggestions for other ways to apply.